Hey guys, this is Billy with SubProtect. If a feral cat, a squirrel, a raccoon, nesting habits, snakes get in the substation, nobody's going to know about it until there's an actual outage and or catastrophic event. So with SubProtect, you can prevent the event from happening. We can capture all of this. We customize each substation to meet your needs. Everything integrates with SCADA. So if there is a raccoon within this substation, you are going to get a notification on your personal device, and as well as the others that you want to get that notification to. So give us a call and we'll walk you through our process. We'll walk you through our solution, and let's make cover up a lot smarter.